Good day everyone, I am Jimmy Maslow from BIS IT, section 103A-0, and I am here to tackle about a topic from the said activity which I have to take a video on this, okay? And now I am here, I have to share with you what I have learned in this subject Intcom. So I have choose a topic which is output and input devices, okay? So let's talk about output devices first. Okay, output devices. Um, it is any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into a human readable form. It can be text, graphics, tactile, audio, or video. Okay, and I have here some examples for output devices. So it is here. These are my examples for output devices. So as we can see here, this is the monitor, and next this is the printer. Okay, so next this is the speaker, headphone, and a projector. These are the output devices. Okay, these are the examples and very common examples for output devices. Okay, so we have to talk about first the monitor. A monitor is an output device that displays information in pictorial or text form. A monitor usually comprises a visual display, some circuitry, a casing, and a power supply. Originally, computer monitors were used for data processing while television sets were used for entertainment. And the next is the printer. A printer is basically an output device, which prints a hard copy of the electronic data that is stored in the computer or any other devices. The electronic data may include documents, text, images, or even a combination of all the three. So, particularly, printers are available for printing particular data types. Okay, so the next is the speaker. The speaker. The speaker are one of the most common output devices used with computer system. Speakers receive audio input from a device such as a computer or an audio receiver. Okay, so this is the speaker. So next is a headphone. Headphones are connected to a computer, laptop, smartphone, or etc. They receive information outputted from the computer. This means headphones are output devices. So last but not least, a projector. A projector is an output device that takes images generated by a computer or a Blu-ray player and reproduce them by projection in a screen, wall, or another surface. So projectors can produce either still, slides, or moving images, videos. A projector is often about the size of a toaster and weighs only a few pounds. Okay, so these are my example for output devices. So let's move into another devices, which is the input devices. So here are my examples for my input devices. Okay, so first we have the mouse, a keyboard, a joystick, a light pen, a touchpad, a microphone, a scanner, a trackball, and a digital camera. These are my examples for my input devices. Okay, so let's talk about what is input devices. So, input devices is a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system, such as computer or information appliances. Examples of input devices including keyboards, mouse, scanners, cameras, joysticks, and microphones, as what I have shown to you lately. Okay, so let's talk about what I have shown to you, my examples about input devices. So first, we have this mouse. What is mouse? It is not a rat. Okay, a mouse. A mouse is a small handled input device that controls a computer screen's cursors or pointer in conjunctions with the way it is moved on a flat surface. This is a mouse. Okay. So next is a keyboard. A keyboard. Okay, a keyboard is an output device that allows a person to enter letters, numbers, and other symbols together. These are called characters into a computer. It is one of the most used input devices for computers is a keyboard. Okay, so it is very important and a computer for have a keyboard. And the next is a joystick. A joystick. Okay, as you can see here, a joystick. A joystick is an input device consisting the pivots on a base and reports in angle or direction to the device it is controlling. It is also known as controlling column. It is a principal controlling device in a cockpit of many civilian and military aircraft, either as a center stick or side stick. Okay, and the next is a light pen. A light pen is a computer input device in the form of a light insensitive one used in conjunctions with a computer's cathode ray to display. Okay, so the next is a touchpad. Okay, a touchpad, also called a trackpad, is a type of input device for computers that does not the same things as a computer mouse. It is made of a flat, touch-sensitive surface which the user slides one or more fingers on to move the cursor on the screen. So the next is a microphone. A microphone is an input device that was developed by Emily Bernliner in 1877. It is used to convert sound waves into electronic waves or input the audio into computers. It captures audio by converting sound waves into an electrical signal, which may be a digital or analog signal. Okay, so next is a scanner. A scanner is also called optical scanner. Computer input device that uses light beam to scan codes, text, or graphic images directly into a computer or computer system. Optical scanners are also used in fax machines and to input graphic material directly into personal computers. Okay, so the next is a trackball. A trackball is an input device which comprises of a exposed protruding ball held by a socket having sensor for detecting the ball's rotation. There are usually one or two buttons provided with a trackball that have the same capability as click buttons on a mouse. So, the next and the last is a digital camera. A digital camera is a hardware device that takes photographs and stores the image as data on a memory card. A digital camera may be considered both an input and output device, as it can be both take pictures, send them to your computer. So these are the examples of input devices. So I have finished to tackle about what I have chosen a topic for this subject, which is income. And I choose this topic. It is not because it is very easy. I choose this because I am related with this, and I love this so much because I have most of all these devices. Okay, so it is very important to learn about input and output devices. It gives you awareness or knowledge about the said topic, their uses and functions in these subjects. Income, I learn a lot, especially about computer. I and I am very so grateful and happy that I have this subject. And once again, I am Jimmy Maslog, representing the most talkative and diligent section, which is Best IT 103 A-O. Thank you for listening and have a good night. Thank you.